Hey credit heroes, you gotta work smarter. Are you ready for a super simple hack that lots of people miss but could make a huge impact on your scores? Well, today I'm going to show you the secret to deleting negative items off your credit report without even disputing them. So you better stick around.
My name is Daniel Rosen, and welcome to Credit Repair Business Secrets.
In the 20 years since releasing my first credit repair software, I have helped thousands of businesses scale from the ground up. And I've experienced many of the same challenges that credit heroes face and learned proven ways to overcome them and succeed. And today I want to share this hack with you. When was the last time you made a typo? Now, imagine you're buying a car and you need a loan. The person in the dealership, they type your information into the system, and it doesn't seem like a big deal, right? Well, here's what happens. That info they're typing, it goes straight onto your credit report. Every single detail exactly as they typed it. If you've ever checked your credit report, and you should be every month, and you wondered where this weird info came from, that's how it got there. Your name, your address, your social, your date of birth, and your employment information, they all get added to your credit report exactly the way they typed it. So that means if the person typing it misspells your name or puts in the wrong date of birth or anything else, it becomes part of your permanent credit file. Personal information and identity errors are really common. Just think about how easy it is to make a simple typo. But these errors can cause you to be denied the next time you apply for credit because the info you gave them doesn't match what's on your credit file, and that's an instant red flag. This can happen even if you've done nothing wrong. If you look at it from the lender's perspective, it kind of makes sense. Not appearing to be who you say you are is a sign of deception. Here's the thing to remember. These personal info errors can get in the way when you're applying for loans or new credit, but they can also make your life harder in ways you may not realize. They could possibly cost you a job that you're applying for. See, employers, they regularly pull credit reports for security clearance or to fully vet their new hires. It's also a common practice when renting a home, so these errors could mess up your chance at a great place to live. If you felt those effects of bad credit and you're ready to make a change, my team and I are here to help you through our Start Repairing Credit Challenge. In this challenge, you'll learn a ton about fixing your own credit, and you'll be surrounded by thousands of people who are changing their lives too. Plus, it's free, so sign up right now at startrepairingcredit.com. Here's why this is important. Besides the peace of mind that comes with having accurate personal info on your credit report, I also have a secret reason that you want to remove everything except the exact and current information. Do you want to know what the secret is? Okay, well, get ready. This can make a huge difference in the results you get. Here's my secret. Negative accounts can be tied to specific pieces of personal information. So you might have a charge-off that's tied to a misspelled name, or an alias, or an old address that's listed on a collections account that you want to get rid of. So by removing all the personal information except one name, one current address, one correct date of birth, one accurate social security number, and your up-to-date employer information, you can get instant and easy deletions without ever having to actually dispute each one of those negative items, which means that you are closer to your goal of good credit and a better future. Here's what you need to know. The first step in repairing your credit should always be reviewing your credit reports for outdated or inaccurate information, particularly your personal information. When you send your first letter to the credit bureaus, carefully list all the incorrect personal information on your credit report and go after those first. Make sure you clearly state the errors and attach proof of your current and correct information, such as a copy of your photo ID and a utility bill as proof of address. That's usually enough. And this can be really helpful in cutting down or fighting back against stall letters as well. Starting by correcting your personal information will make your job easier and more efficient because that personal information tied to the negative accounts will no longer exist. So in many cases, the negative account will be deleted as well. Boom! Fast, easy results. Remember, you've even got the law on your side. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, consumers are entitled to dispute inaccurate or incomplete information on their credit reports, and credit bureaus are required to investigate these disputes within a specific time frame. And that's the whole basis of how Credit Repair works. The whole process is really easy with Credit Repair Cloud. Just import your credit report, quickly tag the incorrect items, and select the round 1 letter. And you can even use our Letters by AI feature to generate a unique letter using your information. If you still need a Credit Repair Cloud account, check it out. It's the software that most credit repair businesses in America run on. Just sign up for a 30-day free trial at creditrepaircloud.com/free trial. Here's my final point. Don't let these simple errors turn into bigger credit problems. Fixing personal information errors is a critical step in your credit repair journey. Stay persistent and work smart. And I'll end by saying, if you want to learn more about the credit repair disputing process, check out my video about how credit repair works. And if you'd like to improve your credit score and discover how to earn extra income repairing credit from others, check out my brand new Start Repairing Credit Challenge. Doors are closing soon, and it is completely free. So sign up right now at startrepairingcredit.com and keep changing lives.